Alright guys, so we're doing a bunch of area rugs and some carpet cleaning, a few carpeted areas, and went through. So all wool rugs, okay? These are the carpeted area. There's 3 of these. It's polyester. Okay, let me go ahead and spray this one here. So the point of this video is, a lot of wool rugs. So you just don't go cleaning wool rugs without a little bit of experience, and taking precautions. And the precautions you always want to take, especially when you get into these Persian type of rugs with different deep reds and different designs, nice beautiful designs, especially when it comes to the deep reds for some reason, and deep blues. You can get color transfer. So you need to test for it. So first thing I did a walkthrough with the customer, showed me all the rugs. I went ahead and got my white rag, sprayed a little bit of cleaner on there, put the white rag down, stepped on it, pick it up, and 2 of the rugs had color transfer. So instead of just not doing it at all, we're just going to do a rinse, and I'm just going to take care of the fringes. So that, because overall they look clean, fringes are a little dirty, so here's no problems. This is the ones right here with bleeders. So I already detailed the fringes, just got that wet with the pre-spray. We'll go over this with just water and rinse that out. It looks a lot better. I wish I would have took before and after on that, but yeah, I already sprayed all those. So yeah, you want to keep yourself out of trouble and keep a good reputation. You want to definitely do bleed tests, or else your brain's gonna start bleeding. Because you're gonna be so stressed out, and you may have to pay thousands of dollars to replace a rug. So rug cleaning is very, very super easy. If you want to add that to your service, like on a like how we do most of our rug cleaning at this point, is we arrive at a location, we just do topical. I have to move this out of here. Topical cleaning, right? So the customer understands we're just cleaning the top, but they're paying half the price. I mean, a quarter of the price in a lot of cases. But we, at the same time, don't want to cause problems for ourselves. So, and make sure you do bleed tests. Make sure you pick up all the corners and find that tag and find out exactly what that rug is. Okay, because if it's a viscose, you want to walk away from it. Those need to be done in-house, and proper cleaning solutions and dry techniques. Yeah, so know what you're working on, and then get to cleaning them. And rugs are very, very easy once you know they're safe. I don't know if I got the talking. I don't even know if I feel it wet there. I'm gonna go over it again. I got leftover, so. Great money in rug cleaning, okay? Even on location, you walk through them really quick. Great money on rug cleaning and implant cleaning too, which we offer also. But in most situations, we doing this, and the customer likes to save a lot of money. They don't have to be without their rugs for a week, Yeah. That one I was questioning, because when you get to know what viscose is, you kind of see different patterns, right? But that ended up being full 100% wool. So cool, easy cleaning. So this job's $685. Probably gonna take us an hour and a half. Now guys, I don't want to come off hour and a half, $685. Listen guys, that might seem outrageous, but these rugs are high-end wool rugs, okay? Persian rugs, and if they were to take this in plant and get all those rugs done, you're talking probably 6 times that amount. All right, so don't feel guilty if you're just getting into this. Now, I did tell the customer if they wanted to get a full clean. Seems like I'm always running these full meters. Then they have that option too, but it's not necessary. Eyes on the vision like a hawk in the sky. Green Rhino charging forward till the day we fly. From the broke nights to the bright lights, we rise up like a phoenix ignite. No chains hold us, we run the race. Green Rhino breaking through with a fearless face. Every setback's just a lesson in disguise. Turn the pain into power, watch us rise. Hustle in the blood, ambition in the veins. Built this life from nothing, now we're breaking chains. From the broke nights to the bright lights, we rise up like a phoenix ignite. No chains hold us, we run the race. Green Rhino breaking through with a fearless face.
Clean.
So I usually don't do fringe detail on site, but since we're just cleaning with water, I figure I'd do that so it'll make it worth the price for them, because it is extra. Looks better. Couple little spots right there I want to address. No problem with leaning on these. You can tell that was really strategic on that, right? Not to get anything wet and overlap. Stayed on the fringes and then worked into the main body. In case even water would do it, but it won't. In this case, it won't. I got the heat down on this, guys. Alright guys, that's it. So as you can tell, most of the furniture we moved off the rugs except for that area right there, the big kitchen table. We go you know, under and around tables and stuff like that. If there's nowhere to move it, that's what we do. We let the customer know beforehand. But yeah, that's it guys. So how you doing rug cleaning? Are you just winging it? Either you're not doing it at all because you're scared, or you're killing it.